Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Nissan 370Z Touring. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan is a great value with less than 47,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and power windows. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.